All right, so one last video I want to get to you guys, and this is something I've learned from the Lazy Super Affiliate. I'm pretty sure you heard of, what's this guy's name? The creator of the Lazy Super Affiliate. But anyway, name slips me. But today I want to show you a super technique that I learned to actually increase your ranking. So here we are inside my Fiverr account. This is part of the grand package, the bigger package if you really want to get that video to rank. I suggest that if there's a video you super want to rank more than any other video, you use that EUB post, right? Remember I told you about the EUB ranking factor and how you post something online, you bring people to YouTube, you get your views, and it kind of shortens the time it takes for you to get actual real organic views from the system, and it skyrockets your ranking. Remember that. You really might want to use it if you're going to do a grand promotion like this, right? So this is the final 2 steps of the bigger promotion. We already went over Claim Social Authority, YT bot. You gotta want to have to like familiarize yourself with that yourself, okay? But here is the last 2 steps. So we're actually inside my Fiverr account, and let me just go. Actually, let me just show you my buying record so I can kind of show you that what I've been into. We're at buying. Let's go to buying orders, right? And to show you that I'm serious, let's go to all. I have literally spent so much on Fiverr. I wish I could. I think they show you. Do they show you everything? Pretty sure they do. So let's look at my transactions, right? So check this out. Inside my Fiverr, I've done this so many times and used this strategy to rank videos. You can clearly see 188 orders, right? At $1,000, pretty much $2,000 in purchases in just promoting videos. So I wouldn't be doing it this way. I would not be promoting videos if they didn't work and I didn't get grand returns from them, right? So I pretty much made probably 10 times, 20, 30 times as much promoting this stuff. So here we go. We're going to go to buying. I just want to show you my orders and transactions. So here's usually what I do. For the bigger promotions, you want to get your embeds. You want to embed your video, right? Because what embedding is, it's someone's going to a private blog, a web 2.0 site, and they're embedding your video on it. So what that does for YouTube, when they start to index your video, YouTube says, hey, this video is grand enough that someone's actually going to embed it on a separate website. And they take your keywords. So this is the most important part. When you order video embeds, they take your keywords. They're going to ask you, actually, let me just show you on the screen so I don't have to tell you, right? You want to give them your video, and then you give them your keywords, the keywords you're trying to rank for. Remember in a couple of videos we found our keywords? You give them your keywords, and this is what's going to happen. Once you give them your keywords, you give them your video URL, they will take your keywords. They will create brand new blog and like web 2.0 websites, and they'll create those blogs and web 2.0 websites around the keywords you're trying to rank for. Then they're going to embed your video into those blog and web 2.0 websites. So when YouTube Spider picks that up, it says, hey, this video is actually being embedded in a web or blog video post about whatever your keywords are. So this video must be about this keyword, and you're gonna have greater keyword ranking juice. You're gonna have greater tag juice, as I like to call it. Pretty much tag juice is like how heavy your video is zooming in on those tags, right? So you're gonna have greater tag juice. This is what we pretty much use to do it. We embed our video in web 2.0 sites. So this is one I bought. I'll embed your views into 100 web 2.0 publications. Again, this is Fiverr.com. This is the simplest way to do it. Now, once you get those embeds back, he's going to give you a text file. As you see here, little mini mode text. Let me just open that up real quick, right? He's going to give you a text file of all the websites he's embedded your video in. Now, here's the secret, super duper, ultra amazing, fantastical sauce. You want to take all these links, all these websites, right? All the websites he's giving you, and you want to hit them with a GSA link blast. Now, GSA link blast is like a whole bunch of backlinks, super duper backlinks. They're not super, most of them are spammy. But what a GSA link blast is you're going to get thousands of backlinks hitting each and every one of these websites. So not only are your videos getting posted into different little blogs, they're also getting backlinks to those blogs, right? So not only is the YouTube Spider saying, hey, it's getting posted on this website, but this website's also being backlinked and it's being indexed by Google. So when you amalgamate all those factors onto one, YouTube says, hey, this video is of quality because look, it's getting backlinks, it's getting embedded, and it's getting in backlinks and embeds on websites that are culturally embedded in this niche, right? So these websites are pretty much niche websites created just for your video, with all the SEO tags and whatever SEO jargon that the nerds do in order to make sure that your video is ranking, okay? So this is a technique I kind of learned from affiliate marketing when I was ranking affiliate videos, and it did extremely well. So now I take this technique and I apply it to every one of the videos that I want to rank and see them do well as well, right? So cool. You're gonna order, and I'm gonna show you how to do that. So embed your video into Web 2.0 publication. So what you wanna do is we wanna go to video embeds, right? And let's see if we can find one. I'll embed your video into 1,000 PBN sites. Same thing, 100, 1,000. I've never really experimented with changing the numbers up too much when you want to do video embeds, but all I know is that they're very effective, okay? So let me see if we can find one with just 100. I will embed your YouTube video into 300 Web 2.0 blogs. Same thing, you wanna get it, right? So let's go to basic. I will submit video to more than 300 plus Web 2.0 publications. So when you purchase this, they're going to ask for your keywords, okay? And you supply them with the keywords you are trying to rank with, okay? So if I'm doing the master number of 22, I'll supply them with the keywords, the master number of 22. Just like what we saw before, let me go back to my purchase orders so I can show you guys once again. Same exact thing, right? You want to give them your keywords and you want to give them your video URL. It's pretty much how it works. In a couple of days, he'll get back to you, giving you all your links. Now, once you get those links, and I want to show you this, you want to do a backlink, right? Backlinks, GSA. Just put that in there for you guys. You don't have to put in GSA, but it pretty much means Google search engine, Google search analytics. So you put in backlinks GSA, and you see here, I will do a backlink blast of 10. He didn't write that right. I don't want him. He didn't write it right. Let's find something that actually looks credible. I've used this one before. 50,000 verified GSA service backlinks, right? So we're gonna do basic, which is 50,000, 3 days delivery. And that's pretty much all you wanna do. Now, when you order this service, they're gonna ask you to supply the links. You take all the links inside the text file that they sent you, and all you do is copy and paste after ordering. So what's going to happen? First thing, you're going to get 100 to 200 video embeds. Second, they're going to give you the links of those embeds. You take the links of those embeds and you take it to the GSA person, and the GSA person is going to backlink blast those embeds. So Google will index them and say, hey, your video is being embedded on XXX amount of sites. Here's the links it's being embedded on. And these sites have contextual keywords surrounding the niche. So that's going to give your video the ultimate form of ranking juice, right? So there you have it. That's the complete, and I do mean complete, Black Hat strategy. And this is how we've been going on ranking the big videos, not just the smaller ones, the big ones like the How to Laugh compilations and some of the videos that I have not even shown on this BSO for reasons. I don't like people knowing my channels. The channels I've abandoned, then I don't mind. If I've abandoned the channel, then you can look at it. But ones I haven't abandoned, I don't really like showing that. And those are the bigger channels that we use these very strategies for, right? So I want to go over it with you guys very carefully. The first thing you want to do is you want to go to Claim Social Authority or youtubebot.com, ytbot.com, and you want to fulfill the packages depending on how you want to rank the video. If you really want to rank the video, get the big package. If you don't really have like a strong will, but you want to make sure it has some good feedback, get the regular package. And if you want to guarantee a video hits, make sure you do an EUB post like I showed you earlier inside the video that contains a case study. You do that, your video is like, I don't want to say guaranteed, but pretty much close to guarantee getting a good position in YouTube. And that I can say, right? For the final package, this two-step process is the last thing you want to do. After you get everything done, after you got the views, you got the shares, the likes, subscribes, the comments, after all that stuff is done, you want to come here and you want to just simply go bam, bam, boom. Just go get your video embeds and get your 50,000 GSA backlinks and just wait. After that's a waiting game. After that, it's completely a waiting game. Videos can take so long as months to blow up. Some videos can blow up in right away. Some videos can take right off, and some videos take a long time. I need people to understand that sometimes the video doesn't just soar right away. It actually takes some time for it to get to that point, okay? So that's it, everyone. That's the BSA, the Black Hat GSA strategy for getting your video those embeds and that good traffic. And if anything else, make sure you hit me up and drop a dime. Tell me how you guys are doing. That's the complete strategy. I've kind of let it all out here. You guys take care. Hopefully I see you somewhere on this crazy